AI is built on a surprisingly simple idea.
To really get it, we first got to look at how things used to be done, traditional programming. Back then, programmers just wrote really strict rules. If it meets the criteria, it's a cat. Simple. But, the real world is messy. You just can't write a rule for every exception.
So the second it saw something new, the whole program would just break.
And this is where machine learning changed the game.
The best way to think about it is like teaching a toddler. You don't explain catness. You just show them tons of examples. This is a cat. This is not a cat.
Eventually, the machine starts finding patterns so subtle, we humans can't even describe them.
So how does it see these patterns? It uses something called a neural network.
Think of it kind of like an assembly line for logic. Each layer just builds on the last one.
Okay, but the big question is, how does it learn which patterns are the right ones?
Well, it learns by playing a giant game of hot or cold. First, it makes a guess.
When it's wrong, the system basically sends a signal saying cold, telling it to adjust its thinking.
It's like it's tweaking billions of tiny internal knobs over and over, millions of times.
And after millions of tries, those knobs are tuned just right. You put a cat in, cat comes out.
So that explains recognition. But what about AI that actually creates things? That's generative AI.
Instead of a true or false game, it's now playing fill in the blank, but on a massive scale.
It's basically just a superpowered autocomplete, predicting the most statistically likely word to come next.
So it's not actually telling the truth. It's just a mirror, reflecting our own language back at us.
At the end of the day, AI isn't some alien mind. It's just a tool built from our data.